As content creators, we don't always have the luxury of having our own video guys to take around the city with us to film content, or whether you're a TikToker, you don't always have the right environment to be able to film yourself. Or you could just be someone who wants to FaceTime and have your hands free while you're cooking, you want to talk to family and friends, or you have a PowerPoint slide that you need to present, but you want to move around and flow as you're presenting the slides to your clients. Well, this is a product that you definitely need to consider. This is the Belkin Auto-Tracking Stand Pro. The Stand Pro is one of the first accessories to work with Apple's DockKit. And basically what that means is this is designed specifically for motorized iPhone stands, and it uses what Apple calls system tracking to keep you in frame at all times. So for example, with the Belkin Auto-Tracking Stand Pro, you can simply have this placed somewhere and your phone will move around with you, track your face, track your body movements, so you're always in frame. The device itself is very minimalist. So on the front, we have the LED light there, so you'll be able to see when it's green or white to indicate different things. And then on the front, we have our NFC area, so you use this to tag, to connect your phone to the device itself. And then there's also a button here. And this button allows you to power it on and off, and also you can use that button to stop and start tracking. One of the cool things about this is it's very lightweight. It's just grab and go. You don't have to do much with it. It's very straightforward, easy to connect. In fact, all you have to do is tap your iPhone, so iPhone 12 or later, you can tap it on there. It does the connection process and is connected to your phone. You don't need a separate app to run this at all. So it works with things like your native camera app. You can use it with like Zoom, FaceTime. You can use it with live streaming of all sorts. So basically all you need is this. You don't need to download any extra app to actually use it, which is fantastic. It even works with Teams, WebEx, WhatsApp, TikTok, you name it, it works really well. The Auto Tracking Stand Pro can rotate full 360 degrees and can even tilt up to 90 degrees. The MagSafe feature comes with temperature control as well, and overvoltage protection and foreign object detection, so that way it keeps your phone protected. Also, thanks to the silent motorized system, it also means the motor can move around without intruding in your audio recording. On the bottom of the Auto Tracking Stand Pro, we have a USB-C port, and then furthermore, we have your tripod dock area there. So you can mount this on a tripod, or the bottom is flat enough for you to be able to place it on the surface. As long as it's stable and steady, it will do what it needs to do. As this is a MagSafe accessory, you can mount your phone like so. It keeps it nice and secure. You can even have it landscape mode if you need to. You can have it portrait mode for TikTok and all that kind of stuff. But it also charges your device as well. So once you have it plugged in, this will charge your device at the same time. It supports 15 watts wireless charging, MagSafe wireless charging, so it charges wirelessly. The Auto Stand Pro itself will last for up to 5 hours, so you don't have to carry a charger with you everywhere, and this will just work as long as you need to create your content. And the way you need to charge it again, you can use that 30 watts PD charging and charge this up very quickly again. Speaking of charging, it comes with your charger in the box, so you don't have to worry about buying any extra accessories for this. It's simply just grab and go, easy to use, mount it on a tripod if you want to, pull it on a flat surface if you want to. It has 5 hours of battery life. It will keep your smartphone safe and secure on there. You need iPhone 12 or later, and you're good to go. And there's no better place to actually put this to use than MWC, Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, just to capture some content here and there without having to worry about having my video guy there with me at all times. So with face tracking, this will actually move as I move as well. So this way, it picks me up whether I move, and this can actually rotate 360 degrees, so it can go all the way around, and it can also tilt as well, which is pretty cool. So if I was to look at it and go up or down or crouch like so, this actually moves as well. So when I crouch down like this, it follows me all the way here. It can tilt up to 90 degrees, or if I go all the way up like this, it follows me as well, and I can move around. As you can see, it tracks me all the way around. And like I said, it's 360 degrees. So as I'm rotating, it's still moving, still moving, still moving, still moving, still moving. And look, it just follows me around. So this is a really great tool for any content creators out there, or someone who wants to present their slides whilst they're moving around, allows you to be more dynamic with your presentation. Or maybe you're just at home and you need to do FaceTiming with your friends or family or both, and you want to cook at the same time, and you want to have a glass of drink at the same time and just have a conversation with them without having to worry about moving around. It's basically center stage on steroids, so it works really well. Let me know what you think in the comments below. All pricing and link will be in the description area, so do check it out. But if this is your first time around here, please do subscribe. We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers on the GadgetsBoy channel, so every help is appreciated. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.